Well, here's our snowstorm. We gotta make a run for some gas. We need to get them snowmobiles running this afternoon. So we're gonna make our way to town. Milk trucks have already been through, but it's already drifting back shut since they went through.
Snowplow is through here.
Yep.
Drifting back shut already too.
Still got fairly decent visibility. It was better earlier this morning though.
One guy in a ditch.
Yep. Right down there, looks like a little Blazer or some sort of little SUV. Got the center of the road all piled up here. And
Wisconsin.
we are to Quick Trip.
Yeah, tell me you want to Loyal, Wisconsin.
Oh.
Oh, I'm gonna get a picture of that. You had to make a beer run.
And they're out with their little John Deere with a broom sweeper on the front of it here, cleaning Main Street in Loyal.
It's not a racket.
That's what it looks like. The local auto parts store. Yeah, we definitely got a good amount of snow. And it is only 9:28. It's gonna snow for probably close to 24 hours. Drifted up in her driveway some.
We got half of what we're supposed to get yet.
Uh-huh.
Let's get 12 to 18 inches.
And it is still snowing like crazy. There's their big front end loader to clear the streets. Yeah, there's definitely a lot more snow here than there was last night. The old Mack truck's gonna get buried in snow again.
Until about 7 tomorrow morning. It's supposed to be 25-mile-an-hour winds through tomorrow night.
Then after that, it's supposed to drop down and get really cold in the -20s.
Good old Wisconsin.
Amish farm. This hill here is a nasty hill. You come down that hill and there's ice on there, you ain't gonna stop. Oh, who's there? Why'd he get his truck out? Make it in our driveway, find it.
Our tracks are shut back in. Over a foot deep.
Brother's got his truck out.